In today's lesson, I wanted to share the difference between change request and change management. Fundamentally, change request is a new change to the project that is already underway. For example, you are working on a project to implement a CRM tool to replace Microsoft Excel. The change request would be that while in the middle of the project, you realize that you have to onboard an additional developer and that incur additional cost. When you do that, you have to put a change request in place. What is the impact to the project budget? Where are you going to get this money from? And all that. Basically, a revision to the project scope or cost or anything that was previously defined for the project success. When it changes, we document that change through change request. Whereas change management is part of the project itself. For example, in this scenario, let's say the salespeople are using Excel today. We want them to use CRM post go live. So there would be hesitance from the sales team because they don't know how to use the tool. They would be complaining that, hey, we know how to use Excel already. So why are we just moving to this new tool? It's cumbersome. We don't know how to use it and all that. So you think through all the objections, plan in the project. How are you going to communicate these changes upfront when we start the project to the impacted users? What is in it for them? So when they move from Excel to CRM, what are the advantages that they personally are going to gain to improve their productivity in the workplace? And bring that desire so that they accept the changes. Then if they are complaining they don't know how to use the new tool, what is the training mechanism so that you can train them on how to use the new tool and they adopt that? So these are all things that you have to think through in the project planning itself, and that process is called change management process, which has a planning process, communication process, training process, and a metric to track the adoption of the new tool, right? So that's the difference between a change request and a change management. So change request is an addition to what was previously planned, whereas change management is planning, within the project itself right from the beginning, but has all these different components so that we can execute and be successful with the project. Hope that helps.